This is the example of the specifier document or app that we've created for ACO. And basically what this does, it guides an architect or a semi-trained person in terms of carbon monoxide and fire alarms through a series of steps to actually specify out a fire alarm system. It's a complete graphical user interface. It's got a house to guide the person through it. So there's a house image here. So I'll just walk you through this and show you how this works a little bit. And then based on the selections that are occurring, the actual a document is created, and that ends up being the specification. And so let's walk through this. I'm going to pick a 2 to 3 story house with solar panels. That has an implication in terms of what's needed for the fire alarm. I'll click next. I'm asked to pick a different level of protection. I'm just going to go with what's called LD2, which is a medium protection category. I'll pick that one and I'm going to go next. My next question is asked about how is it powered, what is the backup. So I'm going to have a mains powered with a lithium backup, a grade D alarm, and I'll press next. And you can see all the graphics starting to change where the actual alarm should be positioned in the house. So there's going to be 1 upstairs, 1 in the middle, and then 3 downstairs. It's asked me type of sensors, and again, there's different type of sensors in these smoke alarms. I'm going to pick a multi-sensor one because it's the recommended one. I click next. They're asking me how do I want to actually interconnect. So is it a retrofit or is there actually wiring available? Let's assume it's a retrofit. So I'm going to pick radio link, which connects the alarms wirelessly. I'll pick next. And the last thing they're asking me for, specialist features. In this particular instance, let's say someone's hard of hearing. I'll just click hard of hearing for the home and I click finished. And once that's finished, then all you've got to do is download the specification. The specification is completely created on the fly based on the actual selections that I've made. It suggests everything from which alarms, where to fit them, and it's in a complete Word document, a specification document that the architect will just hand to the contractor. Contractor has a whole list of products to go into the wholesaler and just buys those particular products. The contractor then also gets some instructions in here as to how to install the alarm and so on, wiring, other features. But you can see the key thing is that this particular document is actually created on the fly, or it's created based on selections that the actual architect has made when he went into this, into the actual specifier.